πάρει ένας φίλος μου να σου κάνει μια ερώτηση. Εσύ να τον ερωτήσεις. Τι μπορούμε να κάνουμε για αυτό το θέμα, έτσι έγινε?
Ναι.
Γεια σου, τι κάνουμε? Καλά και εγώ. Λέει να πάρω.
Very good. Looks good. Yeah. Special design.
Imagine if there were lights around Spinalong Island right now and illuminated. It would have been like the most beautiful view ever.
It would. Yes.
Also a little bit in the sea, in the water, and also like the whole this line and some houses with the. It would have been so good. It would add so much attraction to this area and more tourists.
But they do light up
They do
sometimes.
light up Spinalonga.
Huh?
They do light
They
up.
do light up Spinalonga.
But I don't know when it starts.
Usually at the weekend they used to do last year.
Okay.
Will they do it this year?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah. But I will keep my ears open to be able to capture it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Καλώς.
Γεια σας.
Πού θα μας δείξεις?
Στο YouTube.
YouTube ή... Το έβαλες στο όνομα.
Τη σελίδα της...
Αν ψάχνεις Plaka Agios. Nightlife of Plaka. Σε 2-3 μέρες. Νομίζω εκεί είναι κλειστά τα μαγαζιά.
Κάτω.
Ναι.
Άλλο ένα, δύο είναι ανοιχτά. Αν θες λέω να σου ανοίξω σε κάρτα να ρίξεις ψάρια. Γιατί είναι ψαροφόροι εδώ.
Και δείξε μου.
Έλα. Είναι ψαροφόροι εδώ. Τους κολοκτήπες στις τράβηξες, δεν τις τράβηξες. Έλα. Full fresh fish.
Okay.
Silver supreme.
Okay.
Still alive.
Yes,
You
yes.
see.
Is this your place? This is your taverna?
Family restaurant, Matriakis family.
Yeah.
Grouper, you know.
And how many years you have been working here?
45 years from the parents is the business open.
Okay, okay.
And visit the island from all over the planet. And we have to the newspapers from Israel the best words of the parents, Matriaki family. And then we started from this one, after the next, to the end, the balcony down by the water. You see the balcony? Come
this
from
one?
here. No, follow me, my friend.
Let me follow you.
Follow me to see really exactly our place. Έλα λοιπόν.
Δεν πάτε να ρωτήσεις να δεις εσύ μήπως ξέρεις καλύτερα αγγλικά.
Till the balcony there, it's our restaurant, you see.
Oh, yeah.
And go closer there, down to you have one small beach for enjoy your swim, to come back to it, to drink. Can you swim because the water is very clean, no arsenic inside.
Yeah, it is really
put off
clean.
from the water. I'm good swimmer.
Okay.
And the water is very clean here.
Okay.
That is our place.
Okay, this is, what about this place?
This place, τα κύματα. There, τα κύματα, there, τα κύματα.
Okay, this is all one place.
You want to visit it there?
I think I have been there when it was daytime.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
And here the rock lobster that we keep alive, we see water 24 hours. You know, the best linguine.
Yes.
Linguine rock lobster or grill it with garlic butter.
Yes.
And don't cost it the same like the frozen lobster. It's better the price because we don't put frozen and you have full of healthy food.
Okay.
The best one that you can choose because it's from our fishermen, from our seawater, so local stuff. Yes.
Okay, it was really nice talking to you.
Really lovely to see you.
Yeah.
Enjoy your work and your time here. And one day come to it to me. I don't want to you pay me just to see the tasty that we got because myself it stopped.
I definitely will pay, but I will definitely come.
Please do it.
Okay, yeah.
I promise I do.
Yeah, I will come. Yeah, with
Thank
my
you.
girlfriend.
I wait you.
Yeah.
Take at my heart.
Yes,
You
yes.
welcome anytime, any hour that you want.
Yeah,
My name is Labis.
Labis, nice meeting you. My name is Amir. I will
Amir.
definitely come with my.
Your lady.
Yeah, with my girlfriend.
Pleasure to me.
Yeah.
Please come.
Yeah, definitely. Yes. Bye.
Enjoy your night. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Γιατί δεν δίνουν λεφτά στην όλα.
Okay, so this was it for Plaka. I hope you enjoyed the video and you had a good time. It's a very beautiful, cute place. and as you can see, it's not crowded. And if you want to have a good time, then this is your place. And you heard the man yourself, and you saw everything that you had to see. Yeah, so I like the video. Leave your thoughts and recommendation, suggestion in the comment section. And if you are having already a good time, consider subscribing. And if you want to support me, then I will leave my Patreon account link and my PayPal account link in the description. Other than that, until the next time, peace.